designed movie poster.
Wow, movie posters are so interesting. I always stop to look at them. But why do they catch our attention? Let's think about it.
Movie posters are made with lots of fun parts. There's the logo, with special letters. There's also a catchy sentence that makes you want to watch the movie. And everything is placed in a fun and exciting way on the poster. Cool, right?
Now let's try making our own movie poster. Is everyone ready?
Let's get started with a movie poster worksheet.
Here's what we need to do. First, title, what's the name of your movie? Second, genre, is it a romance, horror, action, or something else? Third, catchphrase, a fun sentence that people will recall. Fourth, contents, write a summary or theme about your movie. Once you have your ideas, sketch your poster lightly with a pencil. You can include your title and catchphrase in the drawing. Now, use drawing paper and draw your poster based on your sketch. After that, you can paint it with acrylic paints. Paint the title and catchphrase using a small brush and paint carefully. What kind of movie poster will you create? Think about it, have fun, and enjoy making your own movie masterpiece. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art projects.